Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the highest value in Excel. Let's get started. The largest number in a group in Excel can be identified in more than one way. Today, we'll cover just one, the simplest way, step by step, using this specific dataset as an example. Set the pointer on the cell where you want the largest number to appear. In this case, we'll click on C9, where we want to display the maximum sales for Q1. Go to the Home tab and look for the Auto Sum button in the Editing group. After clicking on the button, a drop-down menu will appear. Since we're looking for maximum sales, find and select the Max function. Excel will then prompt us to define the area in which we want to look for the maximum value, which is Q1. You can drag your mouse to select the cell range. Now click on OK. Perfect. If you need to look for the largest number in any of the data tables you created, you can follow these steps. And there's more. To find out the maximum sales in all quarters, just click on the cell containing the function and drag the formula through the rest of the cells from its bottom right corner. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.